How customize the control center on your iPhone. Access Control Center in iOS 18. To access Control Center, swipe down from the top right of the screen on your iPhone or iPad. If you're running iOS 18 or iPadOS 18, Control Center is now separated into 3 screens instead of 1. The first screen displays the core controls, while subsequent screens display the audio player and connectivity options. Swipe up or down to move from one screen to another, or tap one of the 3 icons on the right to jump to a specific one. Customizing Control Center. To open Control Center, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. You can move any of the existing controls on the first screen. Tap the plus icon in the upper left corner to move to edit mode. The controls will then sport a border around them with the familiar minus sign at the top. Drag and drop each control to a new location until you've reorganized them as you see fit. Some controls display a gray curved handle in the lower right, which means you can resize the controls icon. Drag the handle with your finger and move it up, down, or diagonally. Release it when the icon is the size you want. You can directly delete a control you no longer need by tapping the minus sign for the icon you wish to remove. The icon disappears, and the surrounding icons should move to fill the gap. You can add a control to any screen with available space. Pick a screen with empty space at the bottom and tap the plus icon. Tap at a control at the bottom of the screen. You can then browse through the available controls until you find the right setting. You can also find a control by name through the search field at the top. Tap the control, and it appears in the available space where you can move or resize it. If the 3 existing screens are filled, you can create additional screens to store even more. If you're completely out of room, swipe down to the last screen in Control Center, tap the plus icon, and then tap at a control. Find the control you wish to add and tap that control to make it appear on a new Control Center screen. You can create as many as 15 screens this way. Thank you for your watching, and hope this can helping you.